Hey Vancouver, it's your realtor Felix bringing you my fourth listing of the year here in downtown Vancouver. What I have is perfect for any of you looking for a bit more space here in the downtown core. So without further ado, let me bring you in. Welcome to Unit 409 in London Place, an updated 2-bedroom converted unit for you to call home. This 24-year-old home has had a full update in 2016 and a refresher in 2024 that features a vinyl hardwood flooring throughout, a kitchen refinished with cabinetry and quartz countertops, and of course, the bathroom tastefully remodeled. London Place also offers you amazing amenities, including the free laundry on every floor, a party room, a gym, and a jacuzzi at the building's rooftop deck. And let's not forget about the neighborhood, where you'll get all the energy you've been craving for when you think of downtown. With a Walkscore of 98 out of 100, you're seconds away from great cafes, restaurants, Yaletown, the seawall, and the SkyTrain station. So if this is the type of home you've been looking for, make sure to give me a call. I'd love to bring you in.